Guys, welcome back to Drawing Land for Kids. Today we're going to be drawing a butterfly that's fairly simple, so let's go ahead and get started. You need paper, of course, and something to draw with. I'm using a Sharpie. You want to go in the middle of your paper, and we're going to draw the head of our butterfly first. I'm just going to draw a curved line right over here. When you're ready, we're just going to bring the head in a little bit more, and we're going to draw a curved line for our body. And let's do the same thing on the other side, draw a curved line. When you're ready, let's draw the bottom part, just like that. Now for the antennas, we're just going to draw two swirly lines right over here. When you're ready, we're going to go ahead and draw our wing. So it's fairly simple. We're just going to draw a curved line going up. And think of a leaf. We're just going to curve that line and go back down like a leaf. Now for the bottom wing, it's going to be a little bit smaller, but same concept. So we're going to draw a curved line right over here and a curved line right over here, connecting both of them. So they kind of look like a leaf. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I like to go across and place a little line right over here and right over here. That way I know where the other wing should be so that it's aligned with this one, because we want them to look the same. Butterflies are symmetrical. So now that I have a curved line here, I'm just going to draw a curved line here. And it's okay if they're not perfectly the same. When you're ready, we're going to do the bottom wing just the same way by adding two curved lines. Let's not forget the eyes. We're going to draw two little circles for the eyes. And now we're going to add a little pattern to our butterfly. So pattern is shapes that kind of repeat. So I'm just drawing an organic shape there, maybe a circle, maybe a smaller circle. And I'm going to draw some zigzag lines right over here. When you guys are ready, let's draw an oval shape here. And let's draw a smaller oval shape here. And then I'm also going to draw two curved lines right over here. You guys can add any other patterns that you would like. I think I'm going to draw a little circle right here. Now I'm basically just copying everything else that I drew on the other side. On this side. So there's my little oval, there's my circle right there, and two curved lines right over here. Now let's go up to the top wing. And if I'm going too fast, you guys can always pause the video. I'm going to draw a zigzag line right over here, followed by my small and big circle. And this shape right over here. I'm going to draw a curved line, then go around and bring it back in. And they're not going to look exactly alike, but we are going to try for that. Let's draw another circle here and another circle here, because why not? And add any other decorations that you would like. And there you have it. There's our cute, simple butterfly. I will be back with the colored version. Okay guys, here's the colored in version. I did use my iPad to color this in, hence the super bright colors. You guys can use anything you have at home. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in my next video.